Hello everyone. Today let's make a tasty dish called Apollo chicken, a special treat from Hyderabad that's a bit like chicken 65. First thing first, soak 600 grams of chicken in salt water for 20 minutes to make it nice and tender. Now cut the chicken breast into half and then into thin strips about half inch thick. In a bowl, mix the chicken strips with half tablespoon fried cumin powder, half tablespoon chili powder, and a quarter tablespoon of turmeric, half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and a little salt. And then goes one white egg. Also add 1 tablespoon corn flour and 1 tablespoon flour to make a thick coating on the chicken. Try to mix the meat with the hand to ensure that every strip of chicken should get the flavors. Now in a pan, heat 200 ml of oil to 350 foreign heat. Then reduce the heat to medium and carefully add the coated chicken strips one by one gently. Cook them for 3 to 4 minutes on medium heat. Be careful not to cook on high because we want the chicken to cook inside, not to burn. When the chicken turns golden brown, increase the heat to high and fry until it becomes crispy. Please make sure that the chicken should be crispy enough because while tossing, the chicken will get soft. So, we should fry it to crispy so that the crispiness will retain even in tossing. Once you notice the change in color and just find out whether they cooked well, then take out from the oil, drain off the oil, and set them aside. Now, in another pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. When it's hot, add 3 minced garlic and 1 inch chopped ginger. Fry them until they turn light golden. Then add 2 split green chilies and 5 to 6 curry leaves. After a minute, add 5 tablespoons of chopped onion or take one big onion, finely chopped one. Toss it on high heat until the onion turns pink. Then add an extra quarter tablespoon of ginger garlic paste if you want. Then fry for 2 minutes and add 1 tablespoon of Szechuan sauce or red chili sauce and a quarter tablespoon of turmeric. Toss them together for a minute. Then goes around 300 ml of whisked curd. Make sure it's not too watery and toss on low flame to avoid curdling. Add half a tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of fried cumin powder, half a tablespoon of coriander powder, and a pinch of garam masala. If you like an extra kick, you can add a tiny pinch of Ajinomoto and it's purely optional. When the curd is no longer watery, add the fried chicken pieces, mix well and toss on high flame to blend the flavors. If the curd starts to cook and looks like it's separating, add 2 tablespoons of water, which is an optional step. After 3 minutes, when the chicken has soaked up the flavors, reduce the flame to low. Add some coriander leaves and a tablespoon of lemon juice. Toss for just 10 seconds, then turn off the heat and it is done. You can serve it right away. If you want an extra topping, add tablespoon of sesame seeds and a handful of spring onion. Enjoy your super delicious Apollo chicken. Please give a try to this recipe at home and leave a comment how it turned out. Please do like, share and subscribe if you like this recipe. Thank you for watching. Happy cooking. Namaste.